welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having an amazing day today. Today's video, we are going to be doing a really cozy at-home vlog. I really want to start kind of gearing up for fall and bringing those cozy vibes inside, even though it is still so hot. Every year I try to bring in the cozy vibes when it's literally 100 degrees out, but that's what we're going to do again this year because I feel like I didn't really get to do much of that last year because we were moving during this time. I had just had Jonah. Things were not cozy and not calm. So yeah, I really want to create a really nice, peaceful environment in my home this fall. I'm going to be making a really cozy, I keep saying cozy, but really comforting meal. I was really inspired by this chuck roast I saw on Pinterest when I was looking up recipes, and it looked so comforting. So I'm actually more of a lamb type of girl. So I'm going to make it with lamb. We're going to do mashed potatoes, and oh, it just sounds so good. I'm going to get out my fall decor. I have some organizing I need to do around the house, especially the kids' clothes and my clothes, because I feel like once a year I try to declutter pretty much my whole house, but I'll try to get to the clothes this week, especially because we're going to be needing to make room for new Ella dresses. So yeah, we need to get rid of a lot of pieces. A little touch of fall already. I've had this basket and these pumpkins and this candle for so many years, so I'm sure you guys have seen it so many times, but I just reuse my stuff every year. And I'm so glad that a lot of the stuff that I had at the old house works perfectly over here because my style hasn't really changed. It's always kind of been neutral, classic. I like to add different textures. I'm also going to be adding some fall branches as well in a pot, so I'm waiting for that to come. Groceries are here. Now that Omar works outside the house, I've been trying to get into a better routine of like cooking so that we can have dinner all together when he gets home. So that's what we're gonna do tonight. Oh, I also got stuff to make a simmer pot. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but it's basically where you cut up different fruits and spices and you boil it in a pot over the stove. And instead of using candles, you can just boil that, and it's natural and it makes your house smell so good. And I've never tried it. Here's my lamb, which I'm really praying that I got enough of, but it's just for basically Omar and I, and a little bit for the kids. I think this is gonna be fine. And also Sprouts carries halal lamb, if you guys didn't know. So I've got my meat. I have some organic yellow potatoes to make the mashed potatoes. The oranges are for my simmer pot. I'll probably eat some as well, along with the apples. I got cinnamon sticks and star anise to go in the simmer pot as well. The carrots are so that I can cook that along with the meat. I have some beef broth for that as well. The whole milk is for me to make the mashed potatoes because I didn't have any milk. I'm gonna put chives on top of the roasted meat and then butter for the mashed potatoes. So these are all the ingredients that I needed. So let's get cooking. I'm excited. Went ahead and plated it just so I could show you guys. We're not gonna eat till a little bit later, so I'm gonna put this back in the fridge and reheat it a little bit later. But does it not look so good? It smells so delicious. I'll leave the recipes that I use down below for the meat and the potatoes. I'm so excited to eat this later. Okay, it's the next day. I wanted to update you guys. Omar was a huge fan of that meal that we made last night, and I did too. It was so good. I have to do a little fit check because I'm wearing Ella the Label, my new brand. Oh, this is so elegant. It's gonna be perfect for fall. I'm so excited. These drapes, I'm so excited. But the real reason I want to talk to you guys is because I got this gorgeous new pot and branches because, oh, I'm like echoing. I've been wanting branches for fall for so many years, but they're always so expensive. But I found some that are like less than $20, and they look very realistic, and the color's not too bright and in your face. Just love the pop of color it gives with still being muted. I love the texture it gives. I love it. We've got all the fall vibes today because I made the simmer pot. So if you've never seen a simmer pot before, this is actually my first time making one. You basically just boil cut up fruits and spices, and there's all these different combinations that you can do, but it makes your home smell so nice without having to burn candles or anything like that. You just leave it on low simmer, and it just fills your home with this gorgeous aroma as if you're cooking something really yummy. I have some cut up apples, oranges, star anise, and cinnamon sticks. I'm just loving these beautiful scents in my home right now. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, even though I am obsessed with my dresses and I've gotten such amazing feedback from you guys, I am so incredibly nervous to make this huge step and launch this brand. I was not prepared for the amount of anxiety. Like, I literally wake up at 5 a.m. with just this pit in my stomach. I don't even know, like, it's been really hard to control. I was actually talking to my therapist today because I had a session earlier. She gave me some really good advice. She said that in the morning, as soon as I wake up, like even before I like open my eyes, I need to say 5 things that I'm grateful for. And in our religion, we are taught to say Alhamdulillah, which means praise be to God. That is what I have decided to do every morning before I even open my eyes. I'm going to say Alhamdulillah 5 times. I'm gonna think about all the things that I'm grateful for, because she said that it's actually rooted in science, like neuroscience, that the first 2 minutes of your day actually impacts the rest of your day. So it's extremely important not to fill your mind with any negative thoughts or anything like that as soon as you wake up. It's crazy how literally the past couple days I have been so anxious. Like, Omar was like, Lena, you need to call your therapist. Like, this is not okay. And after my session today, I just feel so much more positive. I feel like I just need to hear things. Like, I need to be constantly reinforced and just reminded of the tools I can use and just how to look at things in a more positive way. I'm always raving about having a therapist. I feel like we should make it so much less taboo. I feel like anyone can benefit from talking to someone. If you feel like you're struggling and you feel like you need to talk to someone, I would highly recommend BetterHelp. Thank you so much to BetterHelp for sponsoring today's video. They make it super easy because they connect you with a licensed therapist online. You can talk to them on the phone, through a video call, whatever way is most comfortable for you. You'll get matched with a therapist within 48 hours, and you can start talking to someone very quickly so you can get the help that you need. You can use the link in my description box. It's betterhelp.com/Lena, and it'll get you a discount for your first month of therapy. So I'll leave the link down below in the description box. Thank you so much again to BetterHelp for sponsoring today's video. Today I'm getting to something that I have been needing to do for several months, and that is decluttering my house. I decided I'm just gonna try to get as much done as I can today. I need to do the kids' clothes. They have both grown out of a lot of their stuff, plus it's like starting to transition to fall, so I'm gonna get rid of a lot of their summer stuff and make room for new fall stuff. I need to do my closet. I have so many like samples and dresses and just so many things that I don't need anymore, so we're gonna be donating all of this. Actually, I'm gonna be either donating or maybe some stuff I might put on Poshmark. I'm not actually like throwing any of it away. I also need to go through like a lot of my products, like beauty, skincare, all that kind of stuff as well. We'll see how much we can get to because I only have 2 hours and I'm just gonna get as much done as I can. So we're starting in the kids' rooms. I might even go through this entire dresser because I have a lot of like newborn items in here and things that we don't use anymore. Let's get to it. still using my white warmer. There's no reason for me to get rid of it yet. I feel like it's still nice to use. And then we are still loving the Millie Moon diapers. These are just so soft and luxurious and don't rub him the wrong way or anything like that. So those are like my top favorites, even for newborns. I decided to keep a couple pieces out because I want to put it in his like baby box. This is the outfit that he wore for his first birthday. This one and this one were actually outfits I had for his first birthday. So we're gonna keep these in his little baby box. And then I also have this little embroidered Jonah blanket. So I'm gonna keep that in his baby box as well. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put these away and then we'll work on Elena's. Okay, I boxed up a bunch of her stuff. Actually, a lot of it was winter stuff from last year that doesn't fit her anymore, and I just never got around to putting it away. So now we have lots of extra room, but I'm also going to be putting some stuff on Poshmark. These are old Ivy City samples that she never wore, and there's a bunch of dresses here that she wore maybe once. So I'm going to be putting my Poshmark down below, and keep your eyes on that if you're interested. Okay, moving on to my closet. I want to do a major declutter. Like, I wear a very small portion of these clothes, and they've got to go. I want to like minimize. I feel like I minimized so much before I moved, and now I'm like, I still need less. Is anyone else the same? Like, you just can't do enough decluttering? So yeah, okay, we're gonna get started and see. I have so many maxi dresses here that I love so much, but the thing is, I'm not wearing these as much, and now that I have Ella, I'm for sure not gonna be wearing them. I'm gonna be wearing my own stuff. So I think a lot of that is gonna have to go to make room for the new stuff that's coming. So a lot of this will probably be going on Poshmark as well. Let's do this. I can continue. I only wore it once for a video. I didn't even take off the tag, but it's gonna go on my Poshmark. It's a really good one. Like, it's modest, there's no slit. It's the best one I could find. Just not for me, I don't know. Piece of advice is don't rush to get a whole new wardrobe after you have a baby, like right after. I think I was like 2 months postpartum, and I was like, okay, I just need bigger clothes. I have nothing to wear. Well, about a couple months after that, my stomach shrank even more, and I can't fit into any of the clothes that I got myself. Dresses. It's funny because this is the area in the house, it's like the hiding spot, like the cave underneath all the dresses over here for my kids. They love playing over here, so I can't clear it out too much or else I'm gonna ruin that. Okay, so let's go. Okay, these two bags are going on Poshmark, and then we have one more I think we're donating. So we got rid of a ton of stuff, and you can't even really tell because it looks the same in here, but I have so many extra hangers. Look how many extra hangers we have left, like this whole section right here. I got rid of so much stuff, and it kind of feels like the end of an era because I kept a lot of my dresses just because I create content and I always need dresses to like take pictures or videos in or whatever. And I finally just kind of let go of a lot of pieces, even though I love them so much, because I know that I'm gonna have Ella and that's what I'm gonna be wearing. And I'm so excited, but it's also bittersweet because I have a lot of memories in those dresses. But I don't have the space anymore, and we gotta make room for new. Okay, we made it to this closet, and I have some decluttering I need to do in here. One thing that I've just been thinking so much about is that I have some designer bags. You know, I have a few YSLs, I have my Chanel. I have one Dior, but I'm just so not into labels. Like, I think I bought all of these a few years back. I'm not really into like the big logos anymore. They're just not my style. So I think I may be putting them on like the Real or something and selling them. I'm so much more loving like my Polen bags, my bags that don't really have any big logos on them. So I may be decluttering that as well. But I literally built this shelf so I could display like all my bags and stuff. And some of these are probably gonna be going soon. We'll see. Anyways, also a lot of the shoes, like the Rockstead Valentinos, I bought those several years back. I feel like they're just like not in style anymore. I thought they were a classic. That's why I'm just like not into buying super expensive designer stuff anymore. I need my stuff to be very classic, and anything with logos and whatever, it's just, I feel like it's not gonna last. So this dress, which is a sample for Ella, I'm making it in a really gorgeous sage green color. It's gonna be so pretty for any special occasions this fall winter time. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. Might as well fill this rack with Ella, right? Try to clear out some of these shoes because I have a ton down there that I want to be putting in these shelves. So let's go. Okay, moving on to this closet. I need to get rid of some stuff in here for sure. Does anyone remember this bag specifically? It was probably 2014, 2015. This was the bag, all the rage, the clutch. Let me know if you remember. Does the collection look all together like this? I am just so proud. We are gonna have the sage green one as well. So the color palette is gonna be chef's kiss. I did receive news that we should receive everything by end of October. So hopefully end of October will be our tentative launch time. So stay tuned.